Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to convert PDF file to Excel file online. So first of all, you guys need to search for a small PDF. Okay, and here you can see I'm on a small PDF website. After clicking on that first title, now here you need to select see all PDF tools. Click on that and scroll down, and here you'll be able to see PDF to Excel. So click on that. Now here you need to choose your file. So if I click on documents, alright, so let me just find that file which I want to upload. Okay, so this is the file. Alright, so I want to upload this file. Okay, so it's being uploaded. Now here click on convert to Excel. So after that click on choose option, and here you can see that your file is being converted. Okay, now here you can see your file is converted to XLSX file, which is Excel spreadsheet file. Now here you can see it's downloaded. So that's how you can um, convert a PDF to Excel spreadsheet file, okay, using your online small PDF tool. So that was all for today. Hope you like this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 minute solution.